Hi guys, it's Kimberly Wolf and I'm going to show you this awesome PC panel that I created for my friend Dylan Diaz. If you want me to create a panel like this, you can write me on Facebook or Instagram or the number on the screen.
Magic!
And last time that I painted, it was on spray paint, which was, in my opinion, horrible. And now I wanted to do something even more professional. So I asked him what he wanted, and he told me that anything that can inspires me, but it has to be with his logo, which I did, and it turned out awesome. So if you want me to create a panel for you, you have to contact me and we can talk about it. And thank you for watching. Now you will watch a time lapse of me varnishing this computer. What is varnish? Varnish is something, it's a coat to protect the paint, so that's all.